Regardless of the industry, all manufacturing companies must satisfy environmental compliance requirements to operate. Yet, understanding the specific complexities of your individual requirements and having the tools and support necessary to meet specific compliance obligations can seem daunting. CEMLink 6 by VIM Technologies provides a revolutionary solution to address these challenges. As the most intelligent air compliance software product on the market, CEMLink 6 can drastically simplify the data collection, validation, and reporting process regardless of your regulatory requirements. Our pioneering software package includes a plethora of algorithms built for today's environmental compliance requirements as well as tomorrow's based on feedback through our active and engaged industry-led steering committee. Utilizing our efficient and intuitive interface, CEMLink 6 users can create and tailor screens to suit individual and department needs. Data can be disseminated in many different forms to each department that target KPIs that matter to them. CEMLink 6's scalable architecture allows for seamless integration into existing environmental management solutions. At VIM, our solutions are not reliant on proprietary hardware. Therefore, our solution can be implemented anywhere. And we also offer support from our in-house team of experts 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. We have over 30 years of experience serving a wide variety of organizations impacted by continuous environmental data monitoring and reporting requirements. Working with our diverse customer base has allowed us to enhance our offerings combining best practices from a vast array of industries. VIM maintains a best-in-class compliance assurance team in-house and offers regulatory compliance support services through our Compass program. Contact us today to schedule a software demonstration or to discuss a complimentary assessment of your environmental compliance needs.